Verifying your BingX account ensures access to enhanced features like higher withdrawal limits and advanced trading options. Here's how to complete the process. Log into your BingX account. Visit BingX or open the BingX app and log into your account. Go to the verification section. Navigate to the account or profile section and select identity verification. Provide personal information. Fill in your basic details, including your full name, date of birth, residential address, and nationality. Ensure the information matches your government-issued ID. Upload identification documents. Submit a clear copy of a government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Depending on your location, you may need to upload additional documents like a utility bill or bank statement to verify your address. Facial verification. Complete the facial verification process using your device's camera. Follow the instructions to capture a live photo or video. Wait for approval. BingX will review your submission, typically within 1 to 3 business days. You will receive a notification once verification is complete.